should really spend on eh, 'di ba? Hindi naman pwedeng basta-basta lang na sistema yung ilagay natin diyan. Tapos ang laki-laki nung information na sinusubukan mong i-secure. Kumbaga ganito 'yan eh. Meron kang kahon na naglalaman ng meron ka sa bahay mo, meron kang 100 million US dollars, pero yung padlock mo $5 lang. 'Di ba? So you're trying to protect a huge amount of information with a very small amount of with a very small value of security. Hindi naman uubra 'yon, 'di ba? Ibig sabihin, the higher the stakes, the higher you should spend for the security of this information. Kasi hindi man yan basta-basta eh. Kaya nga tina-target yan kasi it's very valuable these days. So, kailangan talagang gastusan to ng gobyerno.
Pwede bang ilagay